How to clear chat history on DeepSeek AI application. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear chat history on DeepSeek AI application. So let's get started. I'm doing it on iPhone, but if you're having Android, you can do the similar steps because the steps are same on both of the devices. And even if you're using DeepSeek AI on your PC, you can follow similar steps. So once you click on your DeepSeek AI interface, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So what you gotta do is click on these two lines at the top left. So once you click on that, you'll be able to see all of your chats over here. Now, if you wish to clear a specific chat, so what you can do is, long press on that specific chat and then you can click on delete. Now you can just long press on this chat and click on delete. So after that, they're going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete this chat? So just click on delete. And now here you can see that the chat has been deleted successfully. Now, however, there are numerous chats over here and you wish to delete all of the chats. You just wish to clear your chat history. Now, instead of long pressing on each chat and just deleting that, that is time consuming. So instead, you can just click on your profile at the bottom left and then you'll be redirected to your profile settings. And now here at the bottom, you'll be able to see an option that will say delete all chats. So you can just click on delete all chats and now they'll say that if you confirm deletion, all chat history for this account will be permanently erased and it cannot be recovered. So all of your information and all of the things that DeepSeek AI has learned about you will be deleted. So they're asking, are you sure you want to delete all chat history? So you can just click on confirm deletion and after that, it says deleted successfully and now you can go back. It says no chat yet and your chat with DeepSeek will be displayed over here. So you can just click on new chat and start a completely new chat. So that was how you can clear chat history on DeepSeek AI. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.